Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Perplexity AI pages or searches are not loading, it's usually caused by connection issues, browser problems, or temporary server errors. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the page not loading or search not loading in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing you can do is check internet connection. So make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try switching networks because weak connection means no loading, okay? You can also refresh the page, so you can, for example, press reload, okay? Or restart the app if you are using mobile Perplexity AI. You can try another website, for example, open any other website, check if it loads, okay? Because this confirms connection issue, okay? You can also disable extensions, so turn off ad blockers, privacy extensions, and after that reload this page, okay? You can also turn off VPN, so disable VPN and try again because maybe proxies can affect the Perplexity AI. So some servers block requests, okay? You can also update the app or browser, so install latest version, avoid compatibility issues, and stay updated, okay? Don't use if you are using a mobile, don't use the outdated versions of Perplexity, okay? You can try incognito mode also, so try a private window, visit Perplexity, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.